okay. We're gonna keep trying. There we go. Nice.
No, dude.
We got it in. That is what we like to see. Oh, let's go.
Then you bend them back like that a little bit. There you go. You got it.
Finally caught a fish. I'm gonna get this away, but today is day 450 of tagging you until you invite me on to the next Season of Beast games. Time to catch some more, bro. Let's go.